Hi friends. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 phone is as hot as it is interesting nowadays. All in all, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 phone is currently in top 10 popularity. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is the best clamshell foldable you can buy, with specs and a price comparable with flagship phones. If you want a phone that folds up to fit in more bags and pockets while offering the same performance as flagship phones, the Z Flip 3 is a good option. Friends, click the link below for details. Let's start. You want the most affordable flagship foldable? Well, the Z Flip 3 isn't exactly affordable, but it is the cheapest of the foldables currently on the market. If you want to try foldable phone tech out while spending as little as possible, get the Z Flip 3. You want a pocketable phone? The Z Flip 3's biggest perk is certainly that it's packing flagship capability in a foldable package and at a better price than ever. You want a selfie machine? Let's be real, no phone makes taking selfies easy. Except for the Z Flip 3. This is the phone to get for selfies and video calls if your favorite subject is you. Please do not forget, subscribes. Click the link below for details.